Sony just revealed the next headphone on the much-anticipated, market-dominating over-ear headphone lineup. As a direct predecessor of the overwhelmingly successful Sony WH-1000XM4, we are finally introduced to the Sony WH-1000XM5 that comes with a new design, some new features, and some nifty little changes which might make some users happy but the others not so much. But without any further chit-chat, let's get right into the video where we compare both of these over-ear headphones and figure out which one's the alpha. Acting as an instant serotonin boost to audiophiles all around the world, the much-anticipated Sony WH-1000XM5 has finally been revealed. With this reveal, however, the 1000XM4 becomes a direct competitor, and we, ladies and gentlemen, are witnessing the battle of the gods. Let's find out if the successor 1000XM5 is any good or in fact even better than the dominating, all-powerful 1000XM4. As far as first impressions go, we were not disappointed. Sony has a thing for minimalism, and as always, it's strongly reflected in their products. With the 1000XM5, the design changes are pretty significant, as you can see a slimmer headband with a stepless glider, promoting a smooth and intuitive motion when it comes to adjustment, contrary to the swivel arm found on the XM4. But the problem that most people, including us, found with this new design language that takes away the joints and hinges is the XM5 unfortunately does not fold. On the bright side though, this design does make the headphones look a bit sleeker and delicate in comparison, but it feels a lot less premium than the XM4. Heartbreaking, really, but it is what it is. But in terms of comfort, both of these headphones will give you the same, recognizable, and signature comfort that all of you expect from a Sony headphone. But since the XM5 doesn't fold, it comes with a comparatively larger carrying bag, which honestly is another negative from us, since it loses the compactness and makes carrying this a small but noticeable hassle. Now, features. Possessing almost the same basic features as its predecessor, the XM5 comes with just slight improvements, which is understandable considering there's rarely anything to improve upon the legendary XM4. The noise cancelling has seen improvement with the XM5, which contained two processors that control 8 dedicated microphones to eliminate environmental audio. Similar to the XM4, the LDAC codec support is also present, along with DSEE Extreme and Sony's 360 Reality Audio Tech, providing virtual surround sound. Speak to Chat is also back, which detects when you're talking and lets in ambient sound in real time, promoting a natural conversation without taking your headphones off. But when you do take them off, the auto pause feature comes into play and maintains immersion. Considering everything, the XM5 has a clear upper hand here. In terms of sheer audio quality though, the XM5 swapped out the 40mm driver from XM4 with a spanking new 30mm carbon fiber composite dome that's comparatively lightweight and rigid, resulting in an entertaining audio profile across all genres. The XM5 sounds more open and precise, making the XM4 sound a bit thicker when in comparison. Now, who wins in terms of battery life? Before the XM5 release, there were rumors regarding a comparatively longer battery life, where 40 hours was a term that was being thrown around a lot, but unfortunately, that's not the case. Although you can get 40 hours under very specific conditions like turning off the ANC or using a different audio codec, there's no point using the headphones like that. The XM5 provides a standard 30 hours of battery life, which is the same as the XM4, but when you stop for a minute and think about how long 30 hours is, you'll see why we have no complaints regarding this. So, the verdict? While not a groundbreaking revolutionary departure from its existing design, the XM5 does try to improve upon the formula Sony perfected over time, rendering the XM4 to be the MVP among its peers. But, as the old saying goes, if it's not broken, don't fix it. In a nutshell, the XM5 comes with better sound quality, call quality, and improved noise cancelling, but with a design that disappointed a lot of its fans. However, some good news for people who've been eyeing the XM4 is price drops are already on the way. And since the XM4 arguably feels more premium than the XM5 and does not lack a ton of features to call it an overwhelming upgrade, they seem to be the right choice for now. Do let us know your thoughts on these two super premium headphones and your opinions on both, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more content like this on your feed.